I cannot get over the switches. They're stunning. They're so nice looking. A little up close and personal. So I got a question to ask you, Elquan. Did you dye these yourself? Because these things are sick, bro. These are dyed Nixies. Look at this. It's a Nixie, but the tops have been dyed. That is so cool. Icy got them for me from someone. That is so cool, dude. And the crazy thing about it is it doesn't even look like, it looks like this was done on like, you know, a good, like, it came from the factory like this. This is really cool. I genuinely want these done in orange. I wonder if I can get this done in orange, like just a set of Nixies for myself. This is so cool. Does the dyes for switches and boards? Does it taste like cherries? You'd be a wonderful friend to do that, my friend. Orange would be flippin' sweet. I don't know if it could be done in orange. Like, not the orange maybe I'm thinking, but that is so cool. That's crazy. All right, what do we got in here? We got this guy. We don't need that for now. We have the gaskets. We have our PCB. We have our plate. All right, and we have our Kohaku. Oh, look at this little fishy. Oh, I like this color combination better than the one I have. So I have the brass with the, or I guess the gold color. We'll just call it brass. I think they're both, I think this is stainless. This is nice. The silver and polycarbonate kind of hits. Yeah, the stainless steel is much better, huh? Damn, this is pretty. All right, let's put the feet on this. This is the first thing we do. Dude, you gotta love the Kohaku, man. This is just a pretty looking keyboard. I'm probably gonna end up making this a YouTube video down the road, and I already know there's gonna be like 4 people who immediately comment being like, Kohaku overrated. Also, which one do you want to use, Elquan? Do you want to use clear or black? Clear? My choice as well. This is the, okay, little side note, dude, Kohaku plates are so fragile. Like, considering this was shipped in a hard shell case. Ooh. These dyed Nixies are so cool, dude. Okay. All right, now let's apply gaskets. Gold 4 here. Oh, Elquan, really important question. Would you prefer the gaskets on the plate? I think I personally prefer the gaskets on the plate for this one, just so you don't have to see the adhesives, but it's totally up to you. This is a polycarbonate version, so on the plate, okay. I'm glad we're on the same page. So the reason why, in case anyone's wondering why we're gonna be doing that, if you put the gaskets and adhere them to the case, you're gonna see all the yucky adhesive looking stuff. So typically a better idea to just do it on the plate with these polycarbonate keyboards. Oh. White gaskets. I don't remember these. Have it always been white on the polycarbonate one? Oh my god, Kohaku. We're doing this for a lovely client in chat right now. Dude, these switches look fan-freaking-tastic in this board. I think my only gripe with the polycarbonate Kohaku is how dull the LEDs are. Like, they're not super bright at all. I guess they're okay. It's more of like a pastel kind of thing. Like, yeah, they're not stupid bright. They look sexy. That looks so cool. Elquan, this looks freaking sick, dude. All right. The white gaskets also look pretty nice on this too. It doesn't really take away from the board. Now, yeah, I'll turn off the LEDs too. No LEDs. What keycap set to use for this? Yeah, I don't really care too much for RGB, but sometimes it's tasteful and I end up really liking it. However, no Greg. Well, there we go. I cannot get over the switches. They are stunning. They're so nice looking. Here, what if I just do this? What if I show you guys like a little up close and personal with these switches? Sorry, it's really shaky. A little up close and personal. That looks pretty nice, no? Dude, the dye job is, it's even, dude. Like, it's nice. There's no like blotches. There's no one that's darker than the other. It's like even. I think Mandalorian would go nice with this. We'll do Mandalorian. No bottom row novelties, rip. Do you guys want novelties on this? I thought maybe we do like little subtle nods, you know what I'm saying? This does, actually, good call on this set, guys. Really good call on this set. This does look good on this. I mean, we already knew how this was gonna sound. I have literally the same config on mine. These are a little bit louder than mine. I think with my personal Nixies, I tend to prefer just a smidge higher or a little bit more lube. But these are really nice, dude. The spacebar is so good. Everything about this. These are night stabilizers, aluminum plate. They're Nixies, and I can tell you exactly what's in them. Elkwand was kind enough to literally label maker this. So that's the combination for these Nixies. You don't have to dye them, obviously. Pretty nice. It all comes down to application of your lubricant as well. It sounds great, dude. It does sound great. With the RGB on, you're not going to notice it much. The RGB on the Kohaku's high-key kind of pathetic. Sometimes I forget it's even there on mine. Like, I think I leave mine on, but you don't really notice it too much. I think it's supposed to be more subtle. I don't think it's supposed to be like blaring, but it's definitely not that bright. I don't know if there's other RGB PCBs that would work for this, to be honest with you. I don't know if there is. See you guys soon. Bye, everybody, and have a good rest of your night. Bye.